This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Anthony DiBiase. Rarely available 2/2 end unit with spectacular upper floor direct Gulf front views. Bright open floor plan with incredible attention to detail in every room. An awesome investor opportunity with weekly rentals, or perfect for a family looking for the ultimate beachfront vacation getaway while renting it to supplement costs. Owner has taken meticulous care in making this condo accessible for anyone who wants to rent it. Beautifully designed but not noticeably apparent, this is one of the best handicap accessible Gulf front condos on Sanibel Island. The consistent rental history, even with owner usage, demonstrates the financial value of anyone can vacation in this unit. Professional rental projections as a full-time investment-only condo are amazing and also available. What makes Sanddollar a special place is it's a small and quaint complex of only 36 units on the beach with lush tropical landscaping, outside storage, heated pool, and tennis/pickleball courts. Its location on Sanibel. For more information, review the details below.